do a little how-to on the 380 SL tops, the soft top and hard top removal and installation. So the key to the whole thing is kind of this assembly back here. You've got the knob and then this little handle here. To get to the soft top, pull the knob that way towards the seat. It releases this part here. And then you just lift the top out. Keep it back up. This latches back down. And then that little knob, see in there, pull it that way, cinches the back of that top down. And then up front here, you want to jump in with me. We've got these little spoons, little tools. If you don't have one of these tools, you're going to need one. You can get them on eBay. Basically line them up like this, put the tool in there, and then it cinches down like that. Do the same thing on the other side. And that is it for the soft top. Hard top, you can see we just set it in place, kind of made sure everything's lining up here. You've got the exact same tool. And cinch that one down. Sometimes they get turned. You got to turn them till they fall into place and then turn them the opposite direction to cinch them down. And then you've got another one back here. It just tightens down a little bit. There's also a plug right here that plugs in. And I've got one on this side. And then the only other thing is same as with the soft top, pulling this way cinches down that back lock. And then obviously to take it off, it's the reverse. Unlock the back, unlock all four of these little cam locks, and then just lift it off.